And today I'm going to show you how to swap your tube in your Rode K2 microphone. And we start right now.
Bentolosa.com.
This is a 4 parts video because I swapped 4 tubes on my Rode K2 and I did a very extensive test with all of them. So do you have to watch all 4 videos on this series? No, you don't. You only need to watch one. But if you happen to be swapping that particular tube, then now you have one video specifically for that tube. So feel free to watch all 4 or just one. Do you really need to use gloves? Well, not necessarily, but I would recommend you to use them because the oil on your fingers can get on the glass of the tube, and when the tube warms up, that could shorten the life of the tube, and so it's just not worth it. So if you have a pair of gloves, just use them. This is the second video, and I'm replacing the Amperex made in the USA for an Amperex made in Holland. So now let me show you how to do it. Okay, and today I'm going to change the one Amperex tube made in the USA for the other Amperex made in Holland. Okay, the first thing you want to do is this dot, you want to flip it and unscrew that microphone donut. Okay, so we don't need this. This is typically to get your phone on your shocking mount. So now go and unscrew this guy. Now I need to unscrew a plastic retainer. So there are 2 screws. Gotta be careful not to crush your tube with your screwdriver. So unscrew that. There's 1 screw. Okay. Careful not to scratch the microphone's motherboard there. Same thing with the second screw. So now you gotta squeeze this a little bit so you can take the tip of the your tube out of it. So you don't want to break the tip. Alright, so I'm gonna squeeze that a little bit. Now, beginning from the top of the tube, you want to start your circular motion there, and you gotta be careful, very careful, because there is a little guy right there. You don't want to break that guy. And again, very gently. Easy, slow. There you go. Alright, so I'm gonna put this back on its box. And do you want to use gloves? Yes, try to use gloves because the oils from your fingers could get on that glass, and when it gets hot, it could lower the life of the tube. Up to you. Some people don't do it, some people do. I like to do it to be safer. So here's the other tube. This was made in Holland in the 60s. There you go. So now we have 10 pins. Need to align those 10 pins with 10 pins here. Alright. And then very gently Okay, all the way in. I think looks all the way in to me. And that's it. Now I need to get this plastic retainer back. The tip. And take those screws out. And squeeze this a little bit. Alright, so the tip is in. Now we can get those screws back in. You don't really want to screw this too much, and that's it. So let's just give it a test. I'm gonna screw the body back in. And I'm gonna use that on my shock mount. Okay, see you. Hey, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you want notifications, hit that bell, and if you have any questions, please leave them on the comments below and I will do my best to answer them. And until next time, again, thank you very much for watching. See ya.